హాయ్ హలో అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ దివ్య. బ్యూటీకి కేర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్రస్గా అండ్ హాట్ స్టిల్స్తో అదరకొడుతున్న లేటెస్ట్ హీరోయిన్ అప్కమింగ్ థ్రిల్లర్తో మనల్ని ఎంతగా థ్రిల్ చేస్తుందో తెలుసుకుందాం. వెల్కమ్ టు అంకిత్ మహారాణా. కానీ ఇప్పుడు నేమ్ చేంజ్ చేసుకుంది, అప్సరా రాణిగా మన ముందుకు వచ్చింది. హాయ్
హాయ్,
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? I know Telugu, see.
So I just wanted to test your Telugu skills.
I know I'm learning and I can understand also a little bit.
Okay. So మీరు ఏం చేస్తుంటారు? You understood?
No, ఏం చేస్తుంటారు means?
I just asked what are you doing?
Okay, I'm doing good and I'm very excited for my release and my debut in so many languages. So actually I didn't know so many languages are happening. It was a surprise for me also.
For you in Corona time.
Yeah.
Especially.
Yeah. So I hope it goes well.
So are you not scared of this pandemic?
See, I was scared for starting 3 months and I was locked at home.
Okay.
And when I got to come to Hyderabad, I didn't come by flight because I was so scared. From Bangalore, we came by road.
Okay.
We traveled and when I came out, I was like, wow, roads, hava. And I was so happy. Me and my mom, we came like that and it felt so good. Then after that, I was like, theek hai. And we had limited people in our team working.
Yeah.
And they were all corona tested negative and when I came we all tested, so we were working in a very small group and outskirts, not here.
Okay.
So it felt safe and till now I'm here. It's been more than a month and I'm safe.
Yeah, you are feeling safe here.
Yeah, and good things are happening, so I'm not thinking about bad things.
So because of this Corona, you got more advantage. Do you think like that?
Actually
Maybe
this
you
was
have back-to-back films in a row. You know,
Yeah.
you are working where no one can else do like that.
I think now shoots have started, no?
A little bit.
A little bit, okay. So actually this was supposed to start in Feb, but it delayed because of Corona.
Yes.
Yeah. So it is equally beneficial. If it is beneficial, it was bad also. Like, you know, we all suffered.
So shall we start with thriller?
Yes.
So you are going to thrillers or thriller film going to thrillers?
I'm going to thrill everyone through thriller.
The best answer.
Thank you.
Okay. So do you like Ankita or this Apsara Rani?
I'm Apsara now.
Yeah.
Yes. Call me Apsara. If you call me Ankita, I will not even listen.
So did you get the name yourself or RGV gave you this name?
It was gifted by him and to be very honest, I never liked Ankita. I used to fight with my dad because it's a very common name and I never liked it because even in school there were like 4 or 5 Ankita in one class.
Ooh.
So I've never heard this name Apsara and I loved it, and now onwards all my life I'm going to keep that name.
You loved it actually.
Yes, I loved it so much.
Because gifted by RGV or yourself you liked the name?
Because gifted by him.
So
I like the name, but that comes secondary for me because it was gifted from him and I consider him as my mentor and he's really nice. So that's why I was like, yes.
how is working with RGV?
Very good experience. I learned so much in my life. Like, this is something I want to do. I want to get into films. I want to learn how films work. I'm so interested into direction also.
Okay.
So I was, keen to know, sir, how is this working? How is this happening? And so interested all the time. Fully my brains were occupied. So I loved it.
So your first film was Ulala, right?
No, it was 4 letters.
Acha, okay.
And then I did this and then that's how I got this.
Okay, in the first film, how was your journey? How was your experience?
Experience was good. So when I started, first day I had to talk in Telugu and first day I was very nervous and but slowly things I started learning first because I've never learned acting and I'm an engineer, like I've done engineering, so no way that I can be an actor and do so great. So first day I was scared, but I think that was all my preparation for this
Yeah.
film. And I think this film is the main where you can see my performance and where I have been shown, like, properly. Because obviously RGV sir, for him, he values heroines so much in a film. We've seen that from very beginning. So I think he has definitely put me in such good scenes and shown me in such a good way that that'll be great for me.
So how is your journey with RGV and how it started?
So I was performing on stage.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, and I never thought. I thought ki big directors will just come and go. So actually, he was gonna leave in 5-10 minutes. Is what he told me. He's gonna leave, and because he saw my performance, he sat there for 3 hours in the whole this thing, 2-3 hours. And then later after the dance, he gave me his number and I got in touch with him, and then he told me the story, and then I was like, wow.
మీతో పాటు డాన్స్ చేశారు కదా, దట్ వాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ అమేజింగ్ అండ్ షాకింగ్ థింగ్ వి ఎవర్ సా ఆన్లైన్. So that was the first time we saw RGV dancing with a heroine. So how did
when
you
he
feel?
danced?
Yeah, RGV is famous for direction, but
Okay.
apart from this, he was dancing. So he
Okay.
was enjoying your dance and all.
No, but not on my. I think his movie was also releasing. One of his movies, Beautiful.
Okay.
There he must be. Here he was just a guest.
Oh.
And when I got his number, I was like, "Sir, can I have a selfie with you?" Because on his speech, he praised he was like, "Your performance is amazing," and everything he said. So I thought ki maybe I can get a selfie because he praised my performance. Like, no, you give me your number. I'm like, wow, he didn't give me selfie, but he gave me his number, and then that's how I got this.
So you are doing your second film with RGV. How is the feeling?
The Dangerous?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the feeling is very good, and I'm so happy the kind of subject that I've got. Not everybody will choose to do it, and it's something that a lot of people might not like it also because of the mentality the society has. But I was into modeling, and I had a lot of gay friends, so I've seen they don't get equal recognition and equal I think respect in the society. They're treated bad, so I was happy doing this.
So do you like lesbians or gays? You're
I
comfortable with whom?
I'm comfortable with both.
Okay.
They are also like how I'm sitting with you and talking, I can just sit with them and talk like this. So I have a very close friend of mine who's a gay, and he lives in Bangalore. He's also, he does backstage management and modeling and stuff.
Okay.
So he's also a gay, and I talked to him, like I spoke to him about his life and how everything goes. So he was telling me that it is difficult to find someone in life, and he's single, and he thinks he was saying guys thinks ki I'm just gonna go and flirt with anybody, but it's not like that. How I'm gonna choose someone very wisely, and how a person is, he's also like that. But people think wrong about the LGBTQ community, and I want to change that if I wish I can.
Great to know that. And one more thing, we will talk about the thriller film.
Yes.
So how demanding is your role in the thriller?
Very demanding, and my role, my performance, my looks, and my body, my fitness, everything, like I think everything that I could offer has been offered on screen. Sir has not even kept like one thing that could have been left out. Nothing is left out. It's so good that I watched it with the sound and everything last night.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was getting goosebumps. I was like, wow, this is so good. I was so excited.
So you like the whole output?
Yes. It's amazing. I love it.
So in future projects, what would be the roles? Like, you are expecting a good role, decent role, or bold roles. Which one you prefer?
So that depends on the story. See, if I like a story, bold and decent roles, I think for an actor, that shouldn't be a criteria to choose. For an actor, how the script is, and I think that should be a criteria to choose, and that's for me. And I think for me, my importance on screen, because RGV sir has given me a lot of importance in the whole film. So I would choose something that has my importance, a lot of my importance.
Like, rather than choosing glamour roles, you wanted to do women-oriented.
Yes, I want to do something, even if there's a hero, I don't mind, but the hero and the heroine has to be shown equally. I don't want to be just for a song
Just
or
for
two
a song's
songs.
sake.
I don't want to be like that. I deserve better. I deserve more.
So talking about this thriller, how comfortable are you to work with hero? Can you just describe about your hero?
Yeah, so Rock Kachi, he's also from Odisha, and he has really good body and everything,
Yeah,
and
we
which
have
is
seen
seen
that in teaser.
Yeah, so yesterday when I saw the film, his performance, like till yesterday I was not very sure, but when I saw yesterday the whole film, I was like, wow, he's done tremendous. Like, you know, he's done really well. And he, you know, fits in the character so well. The guy's character, however it is, he fits perfectly well. And I think he also got the opportunity based on his body and his talent. So I wish him really good luck. I hope he gets more films.
Wow. Is there any chance to fell for him?
No, I'm very choosy. So he's like my friend. I don't think
Okay.
like that with him. He like we became buddies and you know we're good friends, but nothing like that because I'm very choosy about men and.
Okay.
He is like little immature, and I don't like immature men like that. He can be. He's very.
If he sees this interview,
I told him on his face also. I told him on his face. So he's very, he's a very nice guy, but he's like, you know, he's like a kid. And I like really mature guys. So
Okay.
there's no chance.
So you love the real him or real him?
Reel him.
Real him. So,
Sorry, Bhajan.
okay. So what are the qualities you are expecting from a man?
Uh,
Of course, kid not.
not a kid, please. So the kind of qualities I expect is I have a really high benchmark for a guy. Yes,
okay.
very choosy, and he has to be very intelligent. Intelligent not in terms of GK or something. Intelligent on how a person reacts on a question or how a person handles a situation, and you know basic intelligence.
Yeah.
Better than others. So I believe that I'm intelligent. So, at least I believe that.
Yeah, even you worked with RGB, so obviously beauty with brains will work out.
Yes, yes. So I, you know, really want the guy to be intelligent and good dressing sense, good body. You know, he should work out. He should be fit because I'm into fitness. So I cannot be with a tondwala person. So I will not like it. It will be a biggest turn off for me. So maybe abs and stuff. I like that and good body and 6
So
feet.
whoever is, you know, 6 feet and 6 pack, come and propose you.
Yeah, you can, and also intelligent. You can. If I like you, I'll definitely say yes.
So will be a language barrier for you or not?
No. Language will never be a barrier. I think we don't speak by the language; we speak by heart.
Yeah.
I always believe that. So not a barrier.
So what I'll do is, this is a fun round.
Okay, I'm
Apsara.
interested.
So I'll tell you 5 words in Telugu.
Okay.
You have to understand. Tell to me back.
Translate,
Okay, you
okay.
have to translate
Okay,
it.
okay.
Andam.
Beautiful.
Wow. Baunnaru.
Very nice. बहुत अच्छा.
Exactly.
చాలా బాగున్నాను means बहुत अच्छा.
Yeah.
బాగున్నాను means अच्छा.
Yes.
Yes.
Puvulu.
పువ్వులు, I don't know.
Flowers.
Okay, flowers.
Kallu.
Eyes. I know a lot of Telugu.
Yeah, seriously. Amayakatvam.
Ammai means girl.
Amayakatvam.
Ammayakatvam.
Innocence.
Okay.
Yeah, Ammai means girl.
Ammai means girl. I don't know the whole word. Yeah.
Chirunavu.
Chirinavu. I've heard this. I don't know.
Smile.
Smile. Okay.
No, almost you said 3 out of 5. Yo, congratulations.
Thank you. Finally, something worked.
So now I'll start asking you in Telugu.
Okay.
Just understand it. Otherwise, I'll translate to you in English.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
సో ఇప్పటి వరకు చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్స్లో మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన మూవీ ఏంటి?
I mean, how many projects I'm getting or?
How many projects you did and what was your the best project you worked for till now?
Thriller, of course, because till today I've not got that importance on screen. Because to be very honest, someone is producer's son, someone's director's son. And I'm somewhere behind. And the best part is in the thriller trailer, you can see introducing Apsara Rani. And I've never seen my name on screen before that, even though I've done whatever films. But my name was never there on screen. So I've never got this credit or this opportunity to perform. So it's definitely thriller.
So are you a worshipper of RGV?
Actually, I'm his fan.
Fan.
Yes, a big time fan because of the kind of person he is. Because he's so honest.
Honest, yeah.
Yes, he's
I
very
agree.
honest.
Yes.
And one thing he told in the live, I told him because I trusted him, and he told. I never thought he will tell. So about the pepper spray. So first time I went to meet in his office, I had a pepper spray in my pocket.
Okay.
So I told this to him because I trusted him, of course. After the shoot of Thriller and all, I told, sir, you know what? I got a pepper spray too. He was shocked, and I
Yeah.
didn't think he. Obviously, this is a
Yes,
weird
yes.
thing. I never thought he will say it on live.
Yeah, we have casting couch and all. People
Yeah.
are experiencing with
Yeah.
it. There's nothing wrong in carrying pepper spray. That's a good idea actually. Everyone should follow.
Because obviously RGV sir is such a big director,
Yeah.
and I had doubts, yeah, because the media also says big
Yes.
directors. There's
Yes.
a Me Too, there's a casting couch. So I took a pepper spray in my pocket, and later I told him because obviously he's not like that. He's a very nice person, and I
Genuine
think.
and honest person. to
Yes,
be.
very genuine and very honest, and I respect him because even though he's reached to that point, he still selects people on the base of talent. He's not, he's so passionate about his work. I think he is high on his work. He
Yeah.
works and works and
24/7 he works.
yeah,
That's it.
yes, he works so much. I cannot work that much. Like we normal young people cannot work as much as he's working. So I respect him for his passion. He doesn't go on breaks. He has no breaks. He works out and he works on films. And I think that is the kind of passion we require. That is the first reason I'm his fan. And second reason is the kind of films he makes. Different genre. First is depends on politics. Second one is heroine oriented. Some love story, some different love story like Nishabd, and the kind of genre he plays with, it's amazing. The kind of creativity he has, I want to steal it from him.
So how many films you watched which is directed by RGV?
A lot of his films I've watched. Recently, I watched Satya, Rangila.
Okay.
I watched this one, Nishabd. I loved Nishabd. How emotional film
Yeah.
he has done. And I literally cried. I literally cried at the end of when Amitabh's dialogue. So his vision is like, another level. But a lot of people don't understand it. A lot of people do.
Yeah.
Very less people don't. So, a person is different, then people don't understand that person.
Whoever understands RGV, they won't leave him.
Yeah, whoever understands it will be his fan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ramuism.
Yes.
So apart from that, what kind of films you wanna choose?
So I want to choose which. So I'm a good dancer, which has, of course, good dancing, and I have a good body. So which includes something. For example, I'm wearing a bikini or something that includes that thing also, which I look very beautiful because I can pull off a bikini. Not everybody can wear it and be very confident. I work for it, so obviously something that includes hotness and performance definitely. Because from RGV sir, I got this thing. He told me you are a very natural actor, very good actor. So I'm like, wow. So I want to get into scripts that have acting also.
So if I give you two options, one is Mahanati Savitri role and the other one is hot chick role. Which one you prefer?
I'll depend on my importance on screen.
Both are heroine oriented only. lady
Why do you
oriented.
want me to choose? I'll adjust dates and do both.
So you
I'll do both. You
do
see
what?
me in Savitri's sari and you see me as a hot chick. You will be shocked. Yeah, in a bikini. I would like to slay in both.
So you want to do both?
Yes.
Okay, so opportunities are waiting for you in your way. So let's hope best. And I just wanted to know, are you a pet lover?
A lot. I'm big time animal lover. I don't have a pet right now, but what I used to do is I have this 8 to 9 dogs. Street dogs.
Okay.
So I feed them every night, like in Bangalore. So now I think my dad is doing that because I came here and I'm working. And one crow that comes to my balcony and he'll be like, ka, ka, ka. If I don't give him, he literally asks for food and I have to give him whatever I'm eating. So I'm a big time animal lover and also I'm against animal cruelty. I was a non-vegetarian, like a hardcore non-vegetarian. I used to eat 5 to 6 days non-veg.
You gave off?
Yeah, I gave up after the elephant died in Kerala. I cried a couple of times in front of my mom and dad and I told them, what is the difference between the killers of that elephant and me? I'm also killing any animal that is being killed, they don't know if I'm being killed for to be eaten or to be just to die. So I think the murderers and me, we are equally bad, and I felt so bad. I cried and I quit non-veg. So
Okay.
I've turned a vegetarian.
Now you are a vegetarian. Wow, great to know that. And apart from that, shall we talk about thriller? What are the elements that go into thrillers?
So thriller is a story that everybody can relate. You can relate as a girl. So it's someone that is in a house alone, and what kind of things can happen. So you can relate as a girl. I can relate. Anybody who's watching it can relate. It is so fresh and such a new. I don't think that kind of concept has been done. The storyline is amazing, and the climax of thriller, it is crazy. It will blow your mind
But
off.
it is suspense for us.
Yes. So I
So-
cannot reveal anything.
Yeah. So have you ever been in a house alone?
Yes, I have, but I've not got scared, because I get scared only if I've watched a horror film or if anything is fishy is happening. Never, nothing has happened with me, and I don't believe in
Do
ghosts.
you watch horror films?
Yeah, I
love
love
it?
Yeah, I love it, but I get super scared also, so I don't watch alone.
Simultaneously, you watch and you get scared.
Yes. But later, when if I think कि, there can be something, अरे नहीं यार, भूत नहीं होता है, भूत नहीं होता है. So I'm like, नहीं, भूत नहीं होता. So I convince myself that there's no ghost, and I've never experienced anything.
Okay. So if you have a magical power, what you will become? What would you do?
So yesterday someone asked me this, and I said कि I want a superpower in which I can eat all junk food
Yes.
and not put on weight. That is the best thing I want. And the second superpower, if I can have, is all human and animals. Nobody should sleep hungry, and I wish everybody gets food.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really heart touching. And apart from that, how comfortable are you in working with Telugu industry?
By now I'm actually, after working with RGV sir, and this is also happening in Telugu also, and a lot of Telugu promotions are. So I feel really nice, because here heroines from outside also can come, and they get equal importance. But other states, I think they want their industry, like their state girls or who knows the language. For example, I don't know Telugu, but you are very nice to me. So if any other film industry, if you don't know the language, they will not welcome you like that.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is a difference that I felt in Telugu industry, which is really good, and I think that is why Telugu industry is like growing so much. So many films from Telugu are made in Bollywood, remaked in Bollywood. So I think that's a very good thing.
So do you have any dream role to work with?
Yes.
What?
Yes. So I have like 2-3 songs. Two songs I'll tell you. One is Chandni's song from Shri Devi's song from Mr. India.
Okay.
This one, Kaate nahi
Uh-huh.
kat. She wears a chiffon sari and so sexy dance.
Yeah.
Yeah, so something like that. And one is an old song, Zeenat Aman and Rajesh Khanna's.
You're a big fan of Rajesh Khanna, right?
Yes,
Yeah, I got
huge
it.
fan. Huge fan. He is so good looking. Like, when I look at him, he just makes me happy.
Oh.
He makes me so happy. I wish he was there in this era. I would date him. I would go and propose him on my knees. So his old song, Bhigi Bhigi Raat, that old
Yeah.
song with Zeenat
Oh,
Aman.
you want to sing for us?
It's so.
Apsara, we want a song from you.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll sing this song
Yes,
only.
yes.
भीगी भीगी रातों में, भीगी भीगी बातों में, ऐसी बरसातों में कैसा लगता है, ऐसा लगता है तुम बनके बादल, मेरे बदन को भिगो के मुझे छेड़ रहे हो, छेड़ रहे हो. Yeah, this
Big applause.
Thank you. So this song, Rajesh Khanna and Zeenat Aman, oh my god, when I watch this song, I will like, wow, what level of romance and what
Yeah.
level of chemistry they have. Oh my god, drives me crazy. Wish I can do something like that.
Okay, fun round number 2.
Oh wow.
I'll pick up 5 heroes from Tollywood.
Okay.
Okay? You have to tell me a single line, single word, adjective types. Okay?
Okay.
Mahesh Babu,
Hot.
Allu Arjun,
Uh, Nice dancer.
Ram Charan,
Good actor.
NTR,
Amazing dancer. Break dancer. Yeah.
break dancer. Okay, now the last one, Vijay Devarkonda.
Um, I would say, what do I say about? He's really nice actor. He's tall, very handsome.
So if you get
Young
a
and
chance to
handsome.
date with him, will you go?
Go on a date with him? Yeah, of course I'll go. Yeah.
So you watched Arjun Reddy also,
Yes.
right?
He's
So-
tall and you
Yeah.
know my criteria. If I have
It's
to go on a
matching to
date,
your
is matching.
criteria,
Yeah, I
yeah.
would definitely go.
So what are the films? What were the films you watched till now in Telugu industry?
So I watched Arjun Reddy. I watched RX100. I love Payal Rajput from Telugu
Okay.
industry. She is a really good performer. Very elegantly, whatever she's done is very elegantly done, and so I like her. And these are the two recent films. And I think a lot of films that were dubbed in Hindi, maybe in childhood. This one, Bahubali 1, 2. I watched.
Wow. That's a trendsetter
Yeah, that
actually.
is a trend. That is another level which
Level,
is taken to Telugu industry to another level. So.
So if you get a chance to work with Rajmouli,
Oh wow!
what will be your reaction first of all?
Oh my god!
Cloud9?
Yeah, Cloud9. It'll be like how I got this opportunity with RGV sir, and next this, and oh my god, it'll be like wow, ek ke upar ek, you know, things are happening in my life. कौन है? क्या कर रहे हो? I'll be shocked.
So apart from RGV, with whom you gonna work?
So for me, actually, it doesn't depend on the director. Even if a big director comes with a small role for me, like you know, only a heroine part is only in one song or two songs, I will not do it, even if it's a big director. So for me, it depends on my importance in the script and not in the director.
So there is one interesting question I'll ask her in Telugu.
Okay.
So మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆర్జీవి గారి గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందాం. సో మీరు ఇప్పుడు పిక్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేశారు కదా ఆర్జీవి మిమ్మల్ని ముద్దు పెట్టుకుంటున్నట్టు కిసింగ్ పిక్చర్స్.
Okay, he kissed me on my
Yeah.
cheek. So I think that was with a lot of love, and we started the shoot of Thriller. To be very honest, till we did everything officially, like you know, signing and doing the film. Till then, I did not believe that he will actually take me or not. To be very honest, yeah, because a lot of directors they just you know say, "Okay, I'll take you," and they don't take. You know how it works for new actors. So when we actually started shooting that picture, I think the first day of my shoot, we were having dinner, and I think before dinner we were sitting and we were so happy. And I was like, "Sir, I want a selfie with you." And then we clicked, and he's like, "You're the most, you know, at recent times, I'm like super happy with you and your performance." So he just you know hugged me and he kissed me, and I think that's a good picture. And you know it depends on how you see it.
Viral, you know.
Yeah. It's see that picture, some people actually thought it's a bad picture, but I have such pictures with my dad also, with my brother also, or with my best friend or my mom. So I think that picture, how you see it matters.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know, how much ever I explain, people might think bad, or so I would leave it on people. How much ever however you want to take it, you can take it.
So I'll give you 5 options again.
Yeah.
Fun round 3.
Wow.
So we'll talk about yourself only.
Okay.
So what you would like the most in yourself?
Okay.
First of all, eyes, smile,
Yeah.
your structure, your dance, and your acting. You should pick up only one.
My dance.
Oh, you love your dance.
Yes, because this film also I got because of my dancing, and since I was 3 years old, very small, I used to dance on stage. The first performance I did from like 3 to 10 years old kid, there was a competition in Bangalore and I won that.
Okay.
And I performed because my dad had a big chocolate in his hand, and he said, "When you go there and you dance well and you come back, you will get this." This is all I knew, 3-year-old me, and I performed. So since then I've been dancing, and this movie also I got through dancing. So I really respect my dance. I'm also a Kathak dancer. Yeah.
We got a new thing.
Yeah. So when I get an opportunity like a old you know periodic film or something where I can do Kathak, I do so good. I just want an opportunity to do it. So So my dancing, of course.
In future, we hope so.
Yes, I also hope, because Mughal Azam, have you watched that film? So Madhubala has done a lot of
Yeah,
so
tremendous
all
job.
yes, so all those her one Nakra, one Toda I have done, and I have learnt it. So I have done a lot of hard work in dance.
So, who is your dance guru?
So Kamal Guruji had taught me Kathak, but to be very honest, since my 3-year-old, my stylist, my dancer, my makeup artist, till today also my mom is sitting right there. So it's my mom, because of whom I could, I could be here, like who has since childhood, who saw the talent in me. Because when I think I was 1 or 2 year old, whenever the song used to be playing, I used to do something. So she understood, she's liking the music. So she has made me done dancing, and I think she's my guru for life. Because of her, I'm here right now.
So, till now, you worked for Thriller and Dangerous. How different is this from, how Dangerous is different from Thriller, and what is the difference between two films? Are you, both are same or different? How we
So
need
my
to
character
differentiate?
in Dangerous and in this is completely different. In
Okay.
Dangerous, I have a very different characterization, so I don't want to reveal it. But so I have a very girly and I'm an aspiring actor. In Dangerous, my body language, my the way I talk, the way I behave is completely different from Thriller. Thriller, I'm a little tomboyish. But so the characterization is different. The performance graphs are completely different because the storyline is something else. This is like a love story, and so I think it's completely different. You will see a different me here and different me there.
Different me there,
Yes.
different me there.
Yes.
Acha, okay. So, apart from that, so what are your future projects?
For now, I think Dangerous, and my manager got like 25-30 calls for different films, like 25-30 films. But we
In
are
Telugu or with the different?
yeah, I think Telugu, Tamil
okay.
ones, and we are thinking. I want a project where I have some good importance, and I will wait for a good project like that. So I'm waiting.
So, whatever is coming in your way, you are picking up.
Uh,
Or you are very choosy in selecting
I'm being
roles?
very choosy. I want to have a lot of importance in the script. I don't want, because RGV sir has given me a lot of importance, so I want to carry forward that. And whoever gives me a role where I have importance, I'll do that.
Now, we just want to know Apsara's daily routine. How
Daily
your day
routine.
starts?
So I wake up when my mom wakes me up, and she gets me a green tea on my bed.
Okay.
When I wake up, I'll be super lazy. She gets me a tea, and then I'll just sit. I'll be like, "Mama, back pain," and she'll give me a little back massage. When Dad is there, Dad gives me a back massage, and so that's how I wake up. Like, I'm very pampered kid, and so I wake up actually late unless someone wakes me up. I don't get up. Yeah.
So, one word about your family.
Very supportive.
I thought so.
Very supportive, because without their support, I wouldn't have been able to come till here. And my mom, my dad is alone in Bangalore, and we traveled here. It's been couple of months already, and my dad is alone there in Corona times, and he's also adjusting. And I'm here with my mom. She's here giving so much time. Like, not everybody will do that. And so my brother's in London, he's alone, he's coming back to, because dad is alone. So they're very supportive. Everything they're doing according to my requirement. So that's really sweet of them.
So, how comfortable are you to work with TFI?
I'm very comfortable, and I think I want to do a lot of films for 10-15 years in Telugu film industry. Because it's I think people here have really big heart to welcome me from somewhere else, and I'm getting a lot of attention and a lot of importance here, which I feel is very great. And I want to offer them amazing films and amazing performance, in return. I wish.
So, one last round.
Yes.
Okay. It will be, I'll ask few questions and you have to fatafat answer it.
Okay.
Okay. So, first one, who is your favorite actor?
Favorite actor in female? Kangana Ranaut.
Actor, hero.
Actor, not actress. Okay. Uh, I have a confusion. Rajesh Khanna. My crush.
Hero you
also.
already told.
Yes, Kangna.
Okay, your favorite place?
Bhutnath.
Bhutnath. Where is it?
Bhutnath is in Belgaum,
Okay.
and it is like 20-25 kilometers from my college, and we used to bunk college and go there. It is a hilltop where there's a Shiv gufa, and inside that Bhutnath is a Shivji ka avatar. So we used to go on that hilltop. We used to go first Bhagwan ko puja karke, and then we used to go out and chill. It's a hilltop, and I get that in my dreams also, and I'm a big time Shiv Bhakt. Not like I don't sit and do puja, but I just worship him in my heart. And
Your favorite color?
I love all colors.
Oh.
Yellow, pink, blue, red.
Whichever suits you.
Yeah, whichever color I see, I will just go crazy. I'm crazy about colors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your best outfit?
So I love wearing gowns.
Okay.
Are my favorite gowns with a slit cut, high slit
Oh,
cut,
nice.
and little backless, and like really elegant gowns are my favorite. Yeah.
So do you prefer heels or flats?
I prefer flats, but I wear heels to match my outfit.
Do you prefer watches or bangles?
Bangles, when I'm wearing kurta, no, I wear this much bangles. I love wearing bangles and bindi and all. I love it. It's so beautiful. But watches, when I'm wearing a jeans, yeah, I don't have an option.
Now one more, jhumkas or studs?
Jhumka.
Nice.
I love big jhumka, but only when I'm wearing a kurta, you will never see me without a jhumka and bindi. So once I went out and I went like 30 minutes away from my house and I was not wearing a bindi. And then I told the driver, no, takes to some shop, and I bought a bindi.
Are you a gadget lover, yes or no?
Yes, big time.
Big time.
Yes, big time.
So are you a lover of cars or bikes?
I think I was a bike lover when I was in college. I used to ride these bullets and all that. But now I think I want to buy a car because I don't know driving. When I learn driving, I'll buy a car.
Are you interested in road trips or flights?
Road trips.
Wow. So do you prefer family or friends?
Family.
Industry or your personal time?
Industry.
Dance or acting?
Both.
Food or gym?
Gym.
But I heard you are a foodie.
Yeah, but I don't have a choice.
So what's your favorite food?
Momos, and I love Chinese food and pizza, and I like everything. What are you asking? Don't ask me.
How you want to eat everything?
But I've been dieting, and yesterday I had half of the ice cream, and my trainer was messaging me, "You had ice cream?" I'm like, "Arey yaar."
So we heard that you are a fitness freak.
Yes.
So,
I have good biceps, man.
You are matching RGB.
Yeah, I have good triceps also. I am a fitness lover, yes.
So are you a lover of gym or yoga? Which one you prefer?
So I'm good at both.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm very flexible. I do good yoga, but these days I'm more over working out. I'm doing more heavy weights because to get a perfect body for dangerous songs and everything, I want perfect body. Sir said he wants an hourglass figure, and for that I'm not able to eat anything. Oh my god.
Are you a beach lover or nature lover?
I'm big.
Greenery.
I'm big time nature lover, but I love beaches.
Okay.
I love beaches because just wear a bikini and have a drink, and I feel like I'm the queen. That vibe is amazing
Yeah.
on beaches. Yeah.
So this round is done. I just wanted to ask more, but we have time constraint.
I loved it. I loved all your rounds. So much fun.
So one last thing you want to say to our audience?
Yeah, so in Thriller, there's, in everything I have performed, it has glamour, it has performance and the story. So whoever watches it, I think you'll be thrilled by my performance and RGV sir's, direction. And also my co-actor Rock Kachi, he's also done amazing, tremendously amazing. So please watch it and give me your honest reviews. And I'm just learning, I'm a new actor. So do let me know where I can improve. I'll definitely improve next time.
Wow. That's amazing. I wish you all the best, and I want to interview you again for Dangerous.
Definitely.
So yeah, we can finish this interview for
Yes.
now, and again we'll meet you. సో చూసారు కదండి ఈ రోజు అప్సరా ఇంటర్వ్యూ. తిరిగి రేపటి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కలుసుకుందాం. అంతవరకు దివ్య సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బాయ్.